Hey folks, welcome back. And as usual, this channel is here to show you how to do things yourself with your own hands. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I installed my locks, and all the products I use will be listed in this description box below. So after prepping my hair, I started sectioning the hair and went ahead to braid it as in the video. Just look at that length. Oh my goodness, this hair makes me so happy. Parting this hair with only one mirror was so stressful, but we did it. So since it was the back, I could not just do with one mirror, and I didn't have another mirror to use, so I had to use my laptop as a mirror to part this hair. Yep. So you'll notice that while braiding this hair, I didn't make the roots so tight, and the reason for that will be revealed later on in the video. This hair was taking too long to finish, and I forgot that my hair is a bit long, so I shouldn't have used this braiding method. I should have rather used the twisting method. So it was getting dark already, and I didn't start this hair on time. I started when I returned from work in the evening, so the night caught up with me, and I was so exhausted. I couldn't wait for this hair to finish. I went to work like this the next day because I couldn't complete my hair. I was so excited when this hair finally finished. I continued when I returned from work the next day. I installed the locks using the crochet latch hook. I slid the hook underneath the braid and hooked the looped end of the crochet locks to the hook and pulled it halfway through my hair. Then I went ahead and took the tail end of the locks and passed it through the looped end of the locks and then pulled it to tighten it a little. Reason I didn't make my braids tight the first time was to give room for the knot. I took my eco styling gel and applied it on the roots of the braid and massaged it in, making sure to hold every flying hair. So I grabbed everything and twisted it to my right lightly, then took the loose braiding hair and wrapped everything into one strand. So you'll keep wrapping till you have covered your natural hair. If your hair is as long as mine, what I did was I bent my hair into two and covered it up. When you are done covering your hair, you apply the holding spray and wait for a few seconds. Place the hair between your palms and then roll it to lock it up. Again, the first step, you apply your gel, massage it in, hold every strand of hair, twist it a little, and then begin to wrap it up with your other braiding hair. So I just want to let you guys know that the holding spray is not even necessary. That's what I found out at the end of the while I was making this hair. I found out that I didn't even need to buy that, waste of money. So in later on in the video, I'll show you guys how I locked the hair without the holding spray. So one more time, apply your gel, twist it a little and begin to wrap. So while you're here, guys, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment. I hope you're enjoying it so far. And night was fast approaching again. So you guys already know the hold spray method. So the next one you're going to see now will be the one without the spray. So that's the first one. So here's how you bind it without the glue. So when you get to the point where your hair has been fully covered, you would want to stop wrapping, of course. And then just like the first method, you would place the hair in between your palms as so, and then begin to roll as tightly as possible and very fast. It does wonders. Without the glue, it holds and binds your hair together just the same way. Look at that. Just look at that. There's no difference between the two. So you see, you don't need to waste your money to buy any spray glue. Trust me, I was so tired at this point. I had not even rested from work. But then look at that pattern. Look how neat it is. Oh my god. That's so cute. What do you guys think? I began to embellish the hair with some cowries. It was getting so dark already, and I'm so sorry about the lighting. I was so tired. So if I can do this, you definitely can. Let me know if you ever try this out. Bye.